Namaste London. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, we talk about any overseas dentist, how they can get registered in GDC. If you are planning to move from overseas to UK and get registered in GDC, this video will be helpful for you. So what are the steps you need to do? So first you need to generate your application form and send it to GDC. But with the application, you are required to submit some documents and you need to get them before. So what are the steps? How you can move, how you can start? So first go for your transcript. In the meantime, you have to think about the IELTS. If your education, that is BDS or the undergraduation, taught in English and recently not more than 2 years ago, you will be fulfill your English competency. Otherwise, you will look into the another option like IELTS and all. So start preparing IELTS or look for the other. And in the meantime, you can apply for transcript. Transcript is a document that give all your first year to final year documents like your mark sheet at one document, so that it helps you in applying the ENIC or the NERIC certificate. For your GDC, you need ENIC or NERIC certificate. You can get it from the ACTIS. If you want, you can visit my another video. You will get how you can apply for NERIC and ACTIS certificate or the ENIC certificate. So first you need you need transcript, and once you get transcript, you can apply for the NERIC certificate. Followed by you need good standing certificate. Once you get good standing certificate, your IELTS and ENIC or NERIC certificate, then you can generate your ORE application form. With ORE application form, you will get clinical reference and character reference column. This clinical reference should be filled by your employer or wherever you gain your experience. You can take it from your dean. Like you have some clinical reference like 600 hours and ask for GDC. And you will take your character reference from any judicial person or doctor, advocate or the notary. So notary is a very common way. You can take the character reference. That is not a big deal, and submit it within 45 days of your application form generation to the GDC office. Not sending, it has to be reached there. And then then GDC will assess your document and get registered in the ORE application register. And whenever the window get open, you will chase your application setting. Yes. These are the very common steps. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask. As you all know that I am not the official solicitor or the agent. I am just helping on the basis of my knowledge and experience. Do your own research. Till that, take care. Bye-bye.